The misty and vast plains of the Ice Age were a stage dominated by the Pleistocene megafauna. Across this landscape, a shadow could be seen moving with heavy, deliberate steps through the tall grass. This creature was one of evolution's most impressive and most feared predators. With its iconic saber-like teeth, it represented the absolute pinnacle of predation in its era. SMILODON emerged approximately 2.5 million years ago during the early Pleistocene and existed until its extinction about 10 to 12,000 years ago. While it belongs to the cat family, it is not a direct ancestor of the modern tiger. Instead, SMILODON was the typical representative of the Machiodont or saber-toothed cat subfamily. To date, scientists have identified three primary species of SMILODON. SMILODON gracilis, the smallest and oldest species of the genus. Mainly found in the Americas, it possessed a much lighter body structure. Its weight ranged roughly between 55 and 100 kilograms. SMILODON fatalis, the most famous of the SMILODON species with the most abundant fossil record. Widely distributed across North America, notably in the La Brea tar pits. It was larger and more robustly built than a modern-day lion, weighing approximately 160 to 280 kilograms. SMILODON populator, regarded as the largest, heaviest, and most powerful SMILODON of all. Living mainly in South America, it was known as a true giant, usually weighing between 220 and 400 kilograms, with some individuals potentially reaching 450. Standing 1.2 meters at the shoulder, its body was immensely muscular, with a distinctive short tail. It was significantly heavier than any modern lion or tiger. SMILODON was widely distributed across the continents of North and South America. It preferred open plains, savannas, and forest edges where large herbivores were plentiful. These environments provided the perfect conditions for it to utilize its skills as an ambush predator. The anatomy of SMILODON was specifically designed to tackle and bring down massive prey. Its most striking feature were the saber-like canine teeth, reaching 18 to 28 centimeters in length. While extremely effective, these teeth were relatively fragile, used only after the prey was fully immobilized. The body was compact, broad, and exceptionally muscular. Its hind legs were shorter than modern cats, while its front legs were longer and much stronger. Powerful forelimbs and neck muscles were vital for pinning down prey and delivering the fatal bite with its saber teeth. SMILODON's jaw could open much wider than that of any modern feline. While this allowed it to use its long teeth effectively, its bite force was relatively weak for suffocation. SMILODON primarily hunted large and relatively slow-moving members of the megafauna. Its diet included bison, ancient horses, camels, giant ground sloths, and juvenile mammoths. Using ambush strategies, it would wait for the perfect moment before striking with a short, powerful burst. Once the victim was pinned by its massive paws, it would deliver a precise, lethal stab to the throat or abdomen using its saber teeth. This method caused massive blood loss, leading to a swift death for the prey. Fossils from the La Brea tar pits frequently show evidence of severe yet healed fractures. This suggests that SMILODON may have been a social predator, where injured individuals were protected and fed by the group. When the first humans reached the Americas 15,000 years ago, SMILODON was already there. Humans and SMILODON entered into direct competition as they shared the same hunting resources. Humanity's advanced hunting strategies and tool use eventually gave them the upper hand. Additionally, Smilodon approaching human camps in search of food likely increased these deadly encounters. The Smilodon went extinct approximately 10,000 years ago at the end of the Pleistocene epoch. This disappearance was the result of several converging factors. Climate change. As the Ice Age ended, open plains diminished and dense forests began to expand. Loss of prey. Primary food sources like mammoths, mastodons, and giant sloths declined sharply. Increased competition. Humans and other large predators began outcompeting Smilodon for the remaining resources. Our richest source of information on Smilodon is the La Brea tar pits in California. These natural asphalt deposits acted as traps during the Ice Age, preserving both prey and the predators that came to eat them. Thanks to thousands of fossils, scientists have gained unparalleled insights into their anatomy, health, and social structure. Smilodon was one of the most powerful and specialized predators of its time. Its extraordinary strength and saber teeth gave it a dominant edge for millions of years. However, it was this very specialization that became its weakness when the world began to change. The extinction of Smilodon serves as a reminder of nature's unchanging law. In evolution, flexibility and adaptation are far more vital than raw power. Thank you for watching.